Warm greetings to our distinguished partners and friends in Africa and around the world. I'm Dr. Adamu Abubakar Daba, Executive Secretary of Agricultural Research Council of Nigeria. It gives me the great pleasure to invite you to the 9th Africa Agricultural Science Week and the 10th FARA General Assembly, scheduled to take place at the Bola Ahmed Tinubu International Conference Center, Abuja, Nigeria, from 27 to 30 July 2026. ARCN is proud to be part of this host country collaboration for this important continental gathering. For the agricultural research community, particularly AASW9 and the FARA General Assembly, provide a unique platform to connect science with policy, enterprise, and the end users who need innovation the most. This year's theme is Innovation and Partnership for Resilient and Sustainable Agri-food System in Africa. It's both timely and significant. It challenges all of us to reflect on how research, technology, knowledge systems, and strategic partnerships can deliver practical and scalable solutions to Africa's agricultural and food system challenges. Participants can look forward to an exciting and engaging programs featuring high-level plenary sessions, thematic discussion, side events, exhibition, networking opportunities, and development of new partnerships across Africa, agricultural research and innovation ecosystem. I warmly encourage researchers, universities, research institutions, development partners, innovators, private sector actors, and practitioners to register and participate in this important continental platform. Join us in Abuja as we advance the science, partnership, and innovation needs to build sustainable agri-food futures for Africa. We look forward to welcome you to Nigeria. Thank you all.